Hey guys, today we are going to talk about iPhone batteries and especially iPhone 12 mini battery. I want to show you here something that you might don't know. So if we take a device, this is iPhone 12 mini, and we go to the battery will be showing this, sorry, the battery guys will be showing this service. They will be showing this service with 78%, which means the important battery message is here, but we can also see the battery percent level. Alright, now I switch off for battery. Anyway, you saw this, which means the battery have to be replaced. Yeah. What many companies do, they receive this device, as you can see it, with a message, and they use one cable, programming cable, to make it at 100%. So if you make the battery at 100%, the battery will show 100% and this important battery message will be gone. However, the battery then will start falling very quickly. So if you have this problem with your device now, keep in mind, if your device is second-hand, that somebody might have done this procedure and somebody might have up the battery. So this is very important. If you need to change battery, you have to resolder this cable and transfer the new battery cell into the original battery data cable, which is right here. We call it BMS. It's battery metric system cable. So if this is not done and they have just upped the battery, your phone will perform as it was before. So your battery is used. You cannot just renew it like this with one cable. However, your phone will last less, it will get hot when it's charging, and it also will show you 100%, but it will degrade very quickly. Within a couple of months, this 100% will become like 93 or 92. So if you have this situation, you have to visit you have to visit a proper repair center, sorry. And when you visit a proper repair center, explain them the issue you have, and most likely they will be able to determine if your battery is original, never replaced, or if your battery is like a replaced battery. The replaced batteries, which we have, they're very good quality, and what we do is, in the situations where the phone is below 80% and have this message, we replace the battery. The battery looks like this. In order to replace the battery, what we do is very important to know. We are doing it in a very professional way. Doing it with resoldering this connector, and my colleague is using a welding spot machine. In both cases, the batteries are working fine. We give the 1-year warranty for the device after replacing the battery, which means you will be fully covered. So this is my way, and I'm just showing you how I will prepare the battery, which I'm going to do later on when I'm doing the live stream. Because on the live stream it's kind of more verified, you know what I mean. If I do a video, I can just edit it, and I can just take a rest, and I can just ask somebody else to do it. But if I do it on the live stream, then people know that we really do the work. There is no cheating there. So this foil here, we have to take it out in order to show you what we have to do. I will create a full tutorial video how to replace a battery and other stuff on the iPhones and on Samsung devices, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like the content we do. I appreciate it. I'm just trying to show people how the things are behind the scenes, which obviously many of the repairs they want to hide and they don't show. There you go. So this foil right here, we save it for later. And this is the battery. This is the battery. This is how it looks. And now we have to desolder this battery cell, take out the original battery from the device, and do the same thing and resolder it back. So this is kind of like the procedure we have to do. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me down in the comments. If you want to reach me personally, you can go through TikTok, where we do the live. The name of the channel is the same. And if you need to know more about the devices, just ask me. Whatever I know, I'll share with you. I'm not hiding anything. There is nothing hidden here, guys. I'm just giving you a pure information. So if you have any questions related to the device you want to buy, just let me know. Thanks for being with me. Please drop a like or subscribe if you like the content we're doing. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. See you later, guys.